Hey everyone! Good morning dito sa Cambodia and napakaganda ng umaga ko ngayon since it's weekend. Marami naman akong gustong i-share and i-throw ng mga values kung saan alam ko na makakatulong ito sa'yo personally and sa team mo. So, yung topic today is very exciting, how to prospect on social media and offline. Okay? When it comes to sharing your business opportunity. So, the exact title nitong i-share ko sa iyo ngayon is How to Prospect on Social Media and What to Say to Them when you invite them to share your business opportunity. Okay, so last time, diniscuss ko sa inyo yung top 3 favorite lead generating sources kung saan marami akong tinuro, marami akong tinrow na value. So, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yon, make sure na i-click mo yung link na kasama nitong video na to. And kung ikaw yung tipo ng network marketer in your company na gusto mo maging top earner, okay, we have the same goal. Kahit na newbie ka, pwede mong gawin yun, okay? So make sure na mapanood mo yung video na yun, yung first video na yun, and i-share mo to sa team mo para ma-duplicate mo yung knowledge mo sa kanila in a very simple way. With just one click, ma-share mo na sa kanila yung information na to. Anyway, yun nga yung pinag-usapan natin. Last time pinag-usapan natin kung saan mo makikita yung mga tao, kung saan mas best group of people sila for your business opportunity. Now, pag-uusapan naman natin, ano yung exact script, ano yung exact na sasabihin mo sa mga tao na yon once na na-meet mo na sila. Okay? Marami kasi sa atin, sa industriya natin, hindi sila na-train kung ano ba yung tamang dapat nilang sabihin, ano ba yung tamang dapat nilang approach, okay, sa when it comes sa online, when it comes sa offline. Okay, so here, I hope makatulong ito sa'yo, and here as network marketers, marami talagang nag-fail, they blow their business because they simply don't know how are they going to first approach their prospect in a very, very simple and very effective way. So, yun yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, rule number 1, okay guys, when you are prospecting, whether offline or online, lagi mong tatandaan, say less to more people. Since I mentioned last time that this is a numbers game, okay, dapat talaga less lang yung sasabihin mo, okay, pero mas maraming tao dapat yung kinakausap mo. Rather than present, explain, or discuss your opportunity to more people, okay, mas maganda kung you are actually qualifying your people first, saying less before you actually say more, trying so hard to explain, trying so hard to discuss, and trying so hard to explain the whole compensation plan straight away. Okay? Tandaan mo na during invitation, okay, your goal is to actually have eyeballs on the presentation na hindi ka talaga nag-exert ng effort to discuss everything by yourself. Okay? Nowadays, technology is very massively useful, videos, okay, marami na mga websites na mag-explain ng presentation mo to them. Your job is to actually do the humany things, okay, which is building relationship, trust, and inviting the person, saying less, okay, to more people, okay? And having those people na makita yung presentation mo, the moment na na-guide mo na sila to more information. Now, with offline strategies, which I will discuss later, okay, in this video, we will share about the online strategies first. Okay? So, in the last couple of months, okay, na nasa online ako, okay, I am traveling a lot, and lahat ng business na ginagawa ko ngayon actually is online. Marami talagang nagpa-prospect sa akin, minsan nagtataka ako, nagsisend sila ng message sa akin without knowing me, tapos biglang yung message nila, boom, may link. Okay? May link, biglang nagsasend sa akin ng pagkahaba-habang complan. Okay? And meron siyang link directing into their website. Okay? Without knowing me, without even asking my permission na, hello, princess, pwede, ano ba, open ka ba sa ganitong business opportunity? Guys, I wanna share to you, okay, na kung ginagawa mo yung online social media prospecting, rule number 1 is, and always remember this, please, never ever send your video link, okay, to someone without actually asking them if it's okay, if they're already open na malaman yung business opportunity mo. This is one thing that is really hurting our industry so much. Okay, so bibigyan muna kita ng mga basic information about sa strategies na ginagawa mo, no? Kung ginagawa mo man yung pagsasend ng link agad sa prospect mo online na hindi mo man lang kakilala o hindi mo pa natatanong kung open sa business opportunity, okay? When you send a link or a message like that, ang nangyayari kasi nun is that hindi mo sila naka-qualify. First of all, a message with a link is a big no, okay? And pag sinend mo kasi yon, the prospect doesn't hunger for more information yet, and then you look desperate. Okay, nagmumukha kang desperado. And the people who are actually sending this link, 99% of the time, hindi nabubuksan yung message mo, binubura lang ang message mo, and ang pinakamasakit, hindi sila nagre-reply. Okay? So now, hindi will now respond at all. So marami akong na mga naging members, no, they say, Princess, bakit ganon? Wala nagre-reply sa akin, wala akong nare-receive na follow-up, wala akong nare-receive na message. Okay guys, there is a strategy na ituturo ko sa'yo, okay? When it comes to online prospecting, especially with Facebook, anong gagawin mo kung gusto mong ipakita yung business mo sa isang tao, pero hindi mo nga lang alam kung paano mo ipapasok, okay? Paano mo siya gagawin na maibabat-in mo yung business opportunity mo nang hindi mo kailangang i-send yung link mo agad-agad. Now, here's the thing, okay? Back before, okay, during offline prospecting, ang hirap talaga na magpa-prospect ka with a person, okay, magmi-meet kayo in one place. The only thing you know about that person is what they wear, pag nakausap mo sila, anong personality nila, nangangapa ka pa. But nowadays, merong isang bagay na makakapagbigay sa iyo ng hobby ng tao, personal information, what they like, ano-ano ba yung mga hilig nila, what kind of personality they have. You know how? By simply spying, okay, their Facebook profile. Okay? Na ano mo yon, nagets mo yon. So, doing that first, para kang merong isang crystal ball, okay, na nalalaman mo, nababasa mo, kung yung tao ba na yon is very qualified to be a part of your team. Is he approachable? Is he the type of person na open for business opportunity? Okay, pag nakita mo yung profile niya, magkakaroon ka ng idea kung yung tao ba na yon is maybe has some openness when it comes to seeing a business opportunity. So what I do, okay, step number 1 is that magbi-build muna ako ng tawag dito, before I build trust and relationship, yung pinakamahalagang dapat mong gawin is to compliment them. So, that is step number 1. So, after kong maaral yung profile niya, what I will do is that, nakita ko, for example, may bago siyang aso, o kaya nagta-travel siya ngayon, for example, nasa Australia siya, okay, i-comment ko siya. Pwede ako mag-comment dun sa kanyang profile, hey, you're in Australia now, oh, that's great, or you're watching the Super Bowl in New York, or, may bago ka palang aso, ang cute naman, may bago ka palang baby, wow, ang tagal na natin hindi nag-uusap, may baby ka na pala, congratulations. Diba yung ganun? And so guys, rule number 2, after mong gawin yon, is to completely forget that you are a network marketer. Yun yung pinakamasakit kasi actually guys, maraming network marketers, they are so fond of the idea na network marketer sila and they wanna saturate the whole world. Okay? So every time they approach someone, obvious that they really pitch their business. Wala man lang yung pinaka-break in communication. So, it is very important na before you introduce your business to someone is that nakumusta mo muna sila. Okay? Yung, ang ganda pala ng car mo ngayon, ang ganda pala ng bahay mo, nandyan ka pala sa Cambodia, nagtatrabaho ka pala ngayon dyan, or you're doing a business. Diba? Ang sarap sa feeling ng ganun. So, the person would actually feel na, ang galing naman, alam niya pala yung ginagawa ko ngayon, na-appreciate niya, 'di ba? Parang feeling niya ngayon, si Princess parang, o kaya si Angelo, ano pala, natitignan niya pala yung mga post ko. So, ang sarap sa feeling after mo silang ma-compliment. Second is build relationship. That's what I said. And the third thing you should always remember is don't lead with a link. Okay, wag mo agad isend yung iyong business presentation sa kanila. Wait for the perfect timing. Okay? And then ask permission to send the link. Okay? You can say a script like this, no? Hey, alam mo ba, Diana, for example, ngayon na may baby ka, no, and you're a stay-home mom, it sounds to me that maybe you're looking for a job na pwede mo lang gawin sa bahay. And it seems like since you are a mom now, maybe meron kang openness when it comes to needing some more financial needs, di ba? So, I'm just curious. Ayun, lagi ko sinasabi na, I'm just curious. Curious lang ako, no, meron ka bang openness when it comes to doing a side project kung hindi naman makakaabala sa pagiging mommy mo? Okay, so alam mo na naging mommy siya, nakita mo sa profile mo. Or for example naman, naghahanap siya ng job, nakita mo sa profile niya, no, hey, Angelo, nakita ko kasi naghahanap ka pala ng job overseas. So, I think it sounds to me na open ka sa another way to make money, kaya ka naghahanap ng job. Would you be curious lang ako? So, napaka-powerful ng word na curious, guys. So, pwede mo sabihin na, curious lang ako, baka may open ka na sa isang side project kung hindi naman makaka-apekto sa pag-a-apply mo sa abroad. Okay, guys, pwede mong gawin yun. And then you can tell them, I'd be happy to send you the link. Okay, humingi ka muna ng permiso. And then, bago mo isend, okay, pinaka-last na step, bago mo isend yung link mo, if you're doing prospecting on Facebook, guys, you can tell them this, okay? Para magkaroon ka ng sure appointment for follow-up, always remember this. Kung isa-send ko ba sa iyo yung video, okay? Tandaan nyo to, guys, sa sulat nyo if you have notes, because I really want to help you. And at the same time, gusto ko na yung industry natin maging professional. Ayoko na mukhang desperate yung mga team members, okay? Kahit hindi ka parte ng grupo ko, kahit na hindi kita member or whatever, if you're watching this video, I will be very happy, no? Malaman na naging successful ka at nakatulong sa'yo yung mga tips na tinuturo ko sa'yo ngayon. So, before mo isend yung link sa kanila, okay, sabihin mo, kung isesend ko ba sa'yo yung video, ano yung sure na time na sure mo siyang mapapanood. Okay? So, dun ko siya isa-send sa'yo. Okay? Pwede mo sabihin yun. Now, the person would say like, mamaya wala akong ginagawa. Okay? Tapos na ako maglaba. Okay? Tapos na ako kay baby. Mamayang gabi. Okay? Tapos na ako sa trabaho ko. Mamayang gabi pwede mo i-send sa akin. Okay, great! Diba? Sabi mo, send ko sa iyo tonight, alas 8 ng gabi, as for example, as you said. And then siguro after 1 hour, tapos mo na siyang mapanood, when is the best time to call you after that? So, meron kang sure appointment. And mas maganda nga kung sinusulat mo, pinapakita mo sa kanya na may planner ka, kung naka-video call man kayong dalawa, or kung nasa phone ka, okay, or nasa chat, sabihin mo sa kanya na para ma-note ko sa planner ko, para hindi ko makalimutan na tawagan ka ulit. Okay? So, pwede mo sabihin yun, guys. Again, pwede mo sabihin, okay, pwede mo sabihin na, okay, Dave, thank you so much. I will send you the link. And kung isa-send ko ba sa iyo yung link, so binibigyan mo siya ng kondisyon. Okay? Hindi mo basta-basta tinatapon yung information without actually making the person commit to watch your video presentation. Kasi guys, stop throwing information to the person who doesn't hunger for information na ipino-provide mo for your business opportunity. Okay? Okay ba yun? Malaking tulong ba sa'yo yun? So, comment below kung marami kang natututunan, ha? And tag mo rin yung team mo. It would be great for me na malaman na yung mga tinuturo ko sa videos is actually nakakatulong talaga sa inyo. Okay? So, I will be very grateful para continuously ma-inspire naman ako na gumawa ng mas marami pang video para makatulong sa inyo. Okay, always remember that, guys. Always ask permission. Okay, maraming network marketer, they send and PM their messages, they say they don't get response and wala talaga silang nakukuhang reply. Okay, so merong nag-PM sa akin nito, Princess, wala akong nakukuhang reply during my prospecting sa Facebook. Okay, so yun yung strategy, guys, okay? So, always remember that there are billions of people. Kung wala ka mang makuhang reply, okay, here's another tip. Move on quietly. Okay? So, halimbawa, nagawa mo yung best mo, nagawa mo yung strategies na tinuturo ko sa'yo, and you're not receiving any reply. Anyway, guys, nangyayari rin sa akin yan. Okay? I send message to people. I try my best to be a professional network marketer. I share my business professionally, not to look desperate because I hate follow-up so much, and ayoko mag-waste ng time sa mga tao na hindi naman talaga talagang interested. What can we do? Hindi talaga sila for that. It is not for everyone. Yun yung dapat na ma-accept mo, no? So, move on quietly. Remember that there are billions of people on Facebook alone. Kaya napakaraming tao na deserving na makita yung business opportunity mo. So, kasi, sabi dito, don't spend your time chasing everyone. Okay? And, wag mo silang ipipm ng paulit-ulit. They think you are a psychopath. Okay, so, that's not really a good word. Pero, yun kasing nakikita ng prospect mo sa'yo. Kapag piniem mo sila ng paulit-ulit, okay, they think desperate ka, okay? You are bothering them, kinukulit mo sila. So, hindi sila talaga sasali sa'yo, okay? They will see that kung ikaw nahihirapan, maybe they will also have a hard time. So, gusto ko na mabago yon, no? So, please, tag your team, no? To remind them that hindi kasi karamihan talaga ng mga trainers and coaches is na-train talaga yung mga kanilang mga downlines, okay, to say how to do online marketing, especially when it comes to social media marketing. Okay, so ito yung mga reason why marami yung nasasaktan sa network marketing is because of the poor social media communication that is like the number of reasons, sobrang reasons that is hurting network marketing industry profession. Okay, so you have to educate your people how to approach their team members, especially when they are prospecting online. Okay, so that is my topic today, okay, how you're going to prospect online. So on the next video later, ituturo ko naman sa iyo what to say offline, how you can present your business to more people without actually presenting your business. Just meet and greet, okay? So para hindi less effort, bigger result. So stay tuned for that, guys. Please share this video to your teammates, okay? And I really hope nakatulong sa iyo yan, no? So, for the part 2 of this video, stay tuned for later's information. Have a great Sunday, guys, and stay blessed, and I hope nakatulong talaga sa iyo yan, no? Have a great day, happy Sunday, and happy grinding. Bye-bye. So, last thing pala, if you want more information, punta lang kayo sa aking blog, okay? Punta kayo sa www.princessgumabon.com, and also you can hit like on my Facebook page, which is Princess Gumabon, para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na tinuturo ko kagaya nito. I really hope, guys, na makatulong to sa inyo, especially sa mga newbies na nagpo-prospecting on Facebook. Okay? I will be very pleased kung nakatulong sa iyo to. For the second video, isasend ko sa iyo yung link later. Just comment below, I want to learn more. Okay? Sa baba. Okay? Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.